Hello everyone. So finally we are into our second video. As we all know that we were doing a clone of Flipkart, right, using HTML and CSS. So at first what this has opened. So at first let's open our Flipkart for our reference. So this is our reference and now we are going to open our VS Code, right? Where is our VS Code? I have to search. So finally we are into VS Code. Okay, so it is my current project. Sorry, by default it has been opened. So at first I need to go to my files where I have stored. So I was storing the here it is. So now I'm going to open my sorry guys, it's a bit slow. Open with VS Code. So it has opened and now we are going to start our live server. So go live. So in our last video we did the nav bar. In this video we are going to perform the main part. Actually this the first part of the main part, not fully. For the main part I'm going to open the code pen, epic pen. For epic pen I have opened. So for this part we are going to do these two parts today, right? We are going to do these two parts today. So how to do? At first I am going to take this as a div, this part as a whole div. Let me tell you the roadmap how to do this whole part. At first I'm going to take it as a div. Okay, then I am going to download some pictures and put it here inside the div, this all, and then convert this div, first div, as nav flexbox, so that this div comes in a horizontal manner like this, okay. Now then I'm going to give some gap in between them, these gaps. Let me repeat once again. At first I am going to make a div like this, then I'm going to download few images, this all, and put it inside the div, then convert this outer div, this white colored div, into flexbox, so that this all gets arranged in the horizontal manner. And then I'm going to give some gap in between them so that they are separated from each other, right? I think this will be enough. So let me at first download the images. I'm going to cut this part because I'm going to download the images. So finally I am back with my all the downloads. Okay, I know that part has been cutted already. Cut. My grammatical mistake, please excuse me. So let's keep the fun aside. Let's again continue with that. So I have downloaded all the required files here, which means I have downloaded all the images required. See, can you see? Let me reopen the epic pen once. Here it is. So I have downloaded all the required parts, I mean the required images. So there are 6 images, right? So what should I do at first? Let me go to the code, start my live server. Okay, I have started my live server. So at first I need to build this container at first, right? This container. But the thing is, it is in the middle. So the best way to bring something in middle other than margin and padding is making the container flex. So what we are going to do, we are going to make the parent as flex, which is the body. We are going to make the body as flex. Okay, but as we know that when we are making it any container as flex, they are coming horizontally in this way. So in order to make again in this way, we need a property called flex direction. And flex direction will be set as column. So let's see what we can do. So flex direction we are going to make as a body. I think it is body only, nav bar. Then body to be as flex. Before making that, let me check once. Everything there it is in. Okay, I'm going to make it as flex. Display flex. Then flex direction and column, and then it will be, I think, align items center. Now why align items? Why align items? Because as we know that align items is responsible for y axis, right? See, the thing is actually when we are doing the flex box, flex box is arranged in this manner, right? Like this it is arranged. They are arranged in this manner. In this case, the x-axis is this one only, x-axis, and y-axis is this one only. Okay, that is the case. Understand properly. But as soon as we do the flex direction as column, this one, what happens is this whole thing gets rotated in this manner. Gets rotated means the thing it will become like this. Okay. So as this one gets rotated, that means the y-axis and x-axis also gets rotated, which means this becomes the x-axis and this becomes as the y-axis. So what we are using in normal cases of flex is we are using justify content in x-axis, right? Justify, and this will be aligned, right? But in case of when we are using flex direction as column, we are obviously going to use x-axis as justify and align and y-axis as align, but to align in this manner, in this direction, we are going to use align, because this axis after rotation becomes the y-axis and this axis becomes the x-axis. So justify will be used in case of columns, not in case of rows. In this means vertically, for aligning vertically. I think you all have got that. If you didn't get it, I will be repeating that. Just let me know. Okay. So what it is In case of normal flex and flex direction column, column COLUMN. Justify content is for normal case. Justify content is for horizontal. And but in case of flex direction column, justify content will be for vertical. And in case of normal flex, align items will be vertical. And align items here will be horizontal. You can take a screenshot of this. Keep this in mind. Okay, while designing, you can take a screenshot of this. Definitely. Pause the video and take a screenshot. And I am going to move ahead with my content. Okay, let's drop this. What I am going to do is, at first watch properly. Okay, what I am going to do is, sorry, let me drop this also. Okay, we have done this. Now let's make a div. I have done the body as horizontal, flex direction horizontal. Now I'm going to do as I'm going to create a div here. In case of main function, means main section, sorry, div. ID will be, what can be the ID? Items or trending items. Okay, now I'm going to make this and let's style this trending items. Hashtag trending items. Let's style this. Let me give the width as, oh sorry, I haven't given the width of the main only. At first we need to give the height and width of main, this one. Okay, this one. If I won't be giving the height and width of main, how can I give the height and width of this one? We have to set at first the parent, right? We need to at first style the parent, and main is the parent. So at first let's style the main part. Main will, I will set the width as 100% definitely, and let the height will be, for at first for me, let it be 100 VH. VH is also viewport height, the full form of VH. Okay, I will be explaining this unit part later in advanced CSS, but for now it is a height, no for sure. And let the background color be, let it be Aquamarine, so that I can check whether it is done or not. Control S. So it's not done still now. Oh, main, sorry. Main, I'm going to give the ID also as main. I can write it as main, but I'm going to use ID as main. Okay. Now I think it will run. It will go. Yeah, it is done. So I've got, so in the main part, I am going to now style the trending items, right? Hashtag trending items. What should I give? So let me give the width as 90% and height as 30% and background color as let it be, oh, what I'm thinking, white. Okay. Oh, sorry, I don't need as, see, now the thing is, I have done the body part, right? But I have given the flex direction and flex in the body, but I don't need now the body, because in the body there is also the main. Inside the main I am going to keep these things, see, these all things inside the main. So I want the main as display flex and align items column, because I have made the main almost same as the body. So I want main to be display flex and align items column. See, Control S. See, it has came, right? It has came, guys. But the thing is, the height is much more, so I am giving it as 10%. Let's see how much. This one is, I think, let it be 13%. Yeah, now it's good, I guess. And I'm going to give it as a not margin, I'm going to give a padding. Let it, the padding will be, what can be the padding? Let the padding will be 20px. I think that will be enough. Yeah, no, sorry, padding top. Now it's in the center. Now I think it looks like this, right? Now again I need to make this one as flex, this one, but this time I want it side by side, so no column flex direction. So let me make it as display flex. Okay, now let me add all the images in the trending items. Should I add only the images, or no, I have to add the names? So I'm going to write as div, and how many divs do I want? Let me copy all the divs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I want 9 divs. So Alt Shift arrow 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I am going to give them as, now I am going to give it as class, because I want the same type of property to be applied in all these, right? Class items. Okay, this is going to be class items. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, sorry, Control V, Control V, Control, not this one, yeah, that thing has been copied. So space V, and control V. Okay, now inside each of the sections there will be an image and the p tag, img src image and a p tag. Why this? Control C, because we inside the p tag there will be the name of the product item, and inside the image tag there will be the source of the image. Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V, and Control V. Now let me add all the images at first, then I will be naming them. Dot slash, it's going to be dot slash images. At first, what image so should I apply? Grocery, then mobiles. At first it will be, I think I will save it as surf. Where is the surf? Okay, surf. Next it will be, I think, mobiles. Dot slash images slash, where are the mobiles? I'm not getting the mobiles, guys. Yeah, I got it. Mobiles. Then next it will be dot slash images slash, what it was, fashion. Next will be fashion. Next it will be dot slash images slash, next what it was, electronics. Next it was dot slash what was it, furniture. Next it was, how many are left? Many are left. Back, how many they have given? Second will be appliances, electronics. What I saved this with? I think computers, not computers. Yeah, with computers only I saved. Are there any other computers? Wait, let me check once. So electronics are saved there. Electronics will be this. Sorry. Electronics, and this will be computers. That was the problem I was facing. This is the computers. Computer. Next will be aeroplane. Dot slash aeroplane. Then it will be dot slash slash, I think it will be toys. Next it will be dot slash images slash, one more is only left, vehicle. So Control S, let's see what happened. Okay, they have come like this. Everybody has came like this, but the thing is good that they have a good profile means good size. I don't have to resize them each, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold each and every items, okay, each and every items, and restyle them. With how to access the class, dot items, right? What I should do, height will be, I'm just going to give the height will be let it be 80%. Wait, before giving the height, I'm going to give the items img width and height with 100% and height, because height is 100%. Yeah. Now why I give height and width as 100% of the images? Okay, before doing that, why I have written direct img? Why haven't I given any class name to the images? Because we can do through that also. We can access the elements through their tag name also, like div img. We can access through them also. But the thing is, we do only that time, we use this process only that time when there is only one type of item is there. Means suppose I can't use here many things, right? There are several divs. Okay, there are several divs in this website we are making. Now if I will write div in the CSS part, okay, like if I will write div, it will work, definitely it will work, div, and then I will write something in any, what to say, any CSS. Do you want to see what will happen? Background color red. Just see what will happen. See, that's the case, it will happen. Do you know what happened? As I have written only div, okay, and inside the HTML part there are many divs present, many divs. All of them got selected here, all of them. Each and every div got selected here, and as I have written the background color, set the background color as red, so each and every div's background color has become red. That's the problem. So only when we select only we use the tag name as selector only when there is only a single item present. Like inside the items, each and every items, only one image is present. If it would have been several images and I want to give several dimensions for each image, then I would have given class or IDM. But as there is only one image here present, right? Only one image here present. That's why I have given img directly, because I know only one image will get selected here, because inside every div, every class name, only one image is present and I want only that image to be selected. That's why I give inside the class name item, inside the div whose class name is item, select the image, like that I have written. See, let's go to the CSS. Inside the class name items, the div, let's select the div whose class name is items, and inside that whatever the image is present, style that image like this in the following. Understood? I hope you have understood, and if there is any doubt, do let me know. Okay, let's remove this. This is just hampering my design. Control S. See, but still there is a problem. You know what? Still there is a problem. What is the problem? I can't give the height as 100% because you know I have to give it 70%. The reason behind this is there are several names I have to give. There is a p tag also, and inside that div only, so I have to give space for that also, right? But before that, let me give them as a center. Align items, center, justify content center. Okay, let's let them come in center. They have come, and let's give them a gap. Let the gap be 30px. Let's see what happens. I think this will be enough, or I have this items have become a bit smaller. Let the items height be at least 90%, 95. Yeah, now they are looking good. Let the gap be 50px. Sorry, 50px. Now it's good. It's looking good, I think. Why have closed? Yeah, now the gap has become more, I guess. Let it be 40. I'm just experimenting, guys. Okay, now it's looking quite good. Now let's give them the names, and finally we will be designing them. So grocery, mobiles, fashion. At first it will be grocery, next will be mobiles, next will be fashion, then it will be electronics, then it will be home and furniture, home and furniture. I want the FS capital, right? Then it will be appliances, travel, beauty, toys and more. Then it will be APPLI and appliances, travel, beauty, toys and more. Beauty, travel and more. I think that's only the case. Yeah, and two-wheelers. Last will be two-wheelers. Two-wheelers. So I hope this one is set. But the thing is, this is out of the box. So we need to set them properly, right? So what we are going to do is, we need to again do that inside the item tags. Inside the items tag, item class name, select the P. The width will be 20%. The height will be again 20%. Let's see what happened. Nothing happened. Okay, why nothing happened? Let's try one more thing. Let's try font size. Okay, font size will be smaller. That's good. Almost. X small. Yeah, this is good, I guess. But the thing, it is still going out of the box. So what we can do, we can definitely, what to do, reduce the items height at 80%. Let it be 70%, 50%. Still not. Wait, let me once check one thing. Background color red. how much? No, they are taking right amount only. So what's the problem? So basically what happened was, actually we just did this thing as, let me open the Pikmin once more. Actually we did the container the parent div as align item center and justify content center, right? Due to that, what happened was, this all things took their places by their own. Now we need to adjust them through some paddings. Let's do that. Okay, let's do the padding part. Let's go to the VS Code. So what we are going to do at first, we are going to give some padding at the bottom to the parent container, which was trending items. So at first we are going to give some padding. Let the padding be 20 px. Okay, save. See, so we got the padding, right? Now this items looks a bit what to say, pichak gaya in Hindi if we say, right? This few items. So what we are going to do is, at first we are going to reduce their height, okay, so that they looks almost same, but few I think I have to adjust manually. Let me adjust them, their height to be, their height to be a bit, let it be 90, let it be 100. But the width is still something like that. So let me do one thing, let me adjust this width. This is looking something odd, right? This one. So let me adjust this manually. Let me go to HTML file and let me adjust this manually. I don't want to give any ID or something to this separately, so I am going to adjust this through style tag, style attribute. I want to set its width to let it be, it was 100%, width was 100%, right? I want to set its width to 80%. Still it's not of my expectation. I want 70%. Now it's good, I think. Right, it's almost good, but it has moved a bit right. So let's do one thing, let me give some padding or margin, let it be 10 px margin. Oh sorry, margin left, my mistake, sorry, margin left. Yeah, now it's good, right? Now it's looking good. Any more I want to I think this one is also a bit tappy, flat. It has become flat, right? Let me change this one also as, what was the, which one, I think furniture. Yeah, furniture. Style tag, I will give the width as same 70%. I think this will be good. 70% has become less. And height, let's the height be with 70%, let it be 80%. 90%, 100% will be equal. Yeah, 90% is good, I guess, right? 90% is good. And in the appliances also, this has become a bit. Appliances, where are the appliances? I mean electronics, this one. So let me use this style, width to be not width, actually height. What was the height I gave? I gave 100%, right? Style width, let the width be 110%. I'm not convinced. Let the height be 110%. HIGHT height be 110%. Okay. 150. It's getting lower, so 120 is good, I guess. Still not 110. No, I can't. What to do? 100% is only given. How is the original picture? Flipkart. No, it's right. It's all right. It's like that only. It has become a bit flat, I guess. So I want to give it the width as TTH width as let us give 90%. Then I think it will be good. 90, yeah, 90 or 80. No, 90 is good. 90 was good. Yeah. So I have given all the width and height properly, right? Now let's remove the background from here and apply one more thing. Mix, blend mode, multiply. What will this do? Do anyone know what this does? This one. This actually remove the backgrounds of the images. This removes the background of images. Right? I think that's great, I guess. Right? Actually remove the background. I think that will be enough for this, right? Let me drop this part. Then I will be moving ahead with the next part, which is the banner part. I think this looks good, right? This looks actually good. Let me fix one thing. Width, let it be 60%. Now it's good. So now it looks actually good, right? Are they bold? Yeah, they are a bit bold, and I think they are of different font styles, right? So for font styles, what we should do, I think they are of the font style of Poppins. So for getting the font style Poppins, what you should do, go to Google Fonts, mark this, Google Fonts, go to the first link, this one. Let me take another color. Go to the first link, this one. Okay, so I am going to the first link. Then here is the font I want, Poppins, but here is a font, right? Poppins. But if you don't get, search here. There is a search bar. Like I can search here as Poppins. Like Poppins. If I search Poppins, sorry, Poppins. Click this. Okay, see, now what you have to do, get font, this option, get font. Now click here, don't download them, we don't need to download those, just to increase our memory. Okay, get this embedded code, we will get this code of web. Okay, Poppins, but we don't want the link, we don't want to link it with the HTML page, we just want to import that. We can import that, just we do in Java, or as we do in JavaScript, we will learn this. So we have to import that. Just copy this import part, just copy this, Control C, or just copy this like this, go to the CSS file, go at the top, okay, go at the top, then paste. What happened? Have I done something wrong? Yeah, just paste that. So after pasting this, what we have to do, we just have to go to this page of Google Fonts and just copy this part, font family, this part, first one, font family, Control C, sorry, and then what should be, where is the P part, here, Control V. Okay, then see, we have got the font like this, but the thing is and we need to have it a bold. So what should we do? Font weight, I will give it a 700. Let's see. So it has become more. So let me, my mistake, sorry, don't look at my playlist, I feel very ashamed. So it should be 500 become less, so let's keep it 600. Yeah, now it's looking good. Now the last part of this video will be this section, where is, again I have closed back. So last section will be this section. This is called the carousel, but as this is the basic project, first project of ours, so I'm not going to teach you how to build a carousel, but in place of that I am going to put a banner in this part, just a banner of one image, single image. Okay, so just what we are going to do, we are going to search for Flipkart, or we can do one more thing, we can just inspect, right, it has become more, but I don't want this much also. Inspect, I can inspect, so let's go here, inspect. So I have got this, actually I want this one. I'm not in a good one, they are just moving, but I want a good one. Wait, let's wait. I'm getting this one, I want this one or this one. Finally I got a good one. Let's download this. So this is the banner I wanted. Control, so save image. So I'm going to save as banner. Okay, so I got finally a good image, and I'm going to save it as, now I want to place it here. So let's make another div which is This was of that div. I'm going to make another div which is div, and I'm going to give the ID as banner. Okay, now let's style. The style will be almost same. I'm going to copy the previous style only, or the previous parent container. Just let's copy that. This width and height I'm going to copy same, because this was a parent trending item. Remember, the trending items was the parent, means this white part, this was a parent, right? So let's at first what is the parent, control V, control S, C. Oh, why is it not coming? Or I haven't saved this part, I think. Oh, it has came. It doesn't show any what to say, it doesn't show any width, space between that, so I just need to give some space. So margin top can be let me see how much I gave the padding. Wait, don't listen this one. Any padding you can give according to your choice. You are designing that. 20 px. I am giving 20 px. Okay. Yeah. But still, we need some more height, right? Because that's a banner, complete banner. I don't need this one. So I want more height, right? I want more height. So I can give at least of 20%. I can, right? Still it's not worth it. Let me give it as 30%. Yeah, now it's looking good, right? And now what I should do, I should place a image in this, right, inside the banner. So what should be the image? img src close, so dot slash images slash banner.wp. I think this will be, it's almost equal, but I want to style that. So inside the banner, the class have the div having banner, I want to search the image, then I want to give its width as 100% of the parent and height as 100% of the parent. Now it's looking great, right? And now I can remove the background color of the main part like this. Control S. Now it's looking like this, I guess. Yeah, it's looking right, and I think it's looking good. I just want to style a bit this one, what I saw, just this one, because it's not, I think it's still not worth it. So let's go to that vehicles. I think it was vehicles. Yeah, it was vehicles. So I'm going to give styles with let it be 70%. I don't know, just experimental value. Too small. 80%, 90%, and I want to give some height also. Height to be what was the height? I think height to be, oh, height is good, I guess. Height I don't want, right? Leave. Let me give it as 87%. No, it's good. It's looking good. Okay. So this was all about today's video, but I still want this background color, because I still want to keep this background color. I think you have seen this, how it looks almost like this only, right? But I still want to keep the background color because I have to put more elements in this, right? In my next video I will be putting more elements in this, so I will be keeping the background color as as it was. So I'm going to keep this because I need to add more elements like this. This is all. I'm going to add 3 elements like this to this. I'm not going to, okay, then I'm going to, because there are many and making all of them is just a waste of time. There are many actually. I don't want to waste my time on this all. And then I'm going to move to the footer, and that's all. I hope I am clear. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you liked the video, you understood all the concepts, and if you haven't, just let me know. Okay, I will make your concepts clear, and that's all for today. Good night.